Okay, so what I have here is I have a list of orders for my company that sells ice cream. I've got the flavor names, I've got the customer, I've got the state, and I've got the revenue. And I've been asked to generate a list of customers, but get rid of the duplicates. Now, there's a couple of ways I can do this. One way is to manually select all the customer names, copy, paste, and then with that set of cells highlighted, go to Data and click Remove Duplicates, which is that button with a little red cross on it. Click OK, and it's found 9 duplicates and kept 9. So out of the 18 items, half of them were duplicated. So that's one way to do it. And then if I wanted to sort that list, I can select that list and click on Home, Sort and Filter, Sort A to Z. So that is one way to do it. The problem you've got is if anything in this list changes, then you'd have to copy, paste, remove duplicates, sort again. The unique function will automate that. The unique function will allow you to generate a unique list of values from a column or from a row. So what we do is we put equals unique, open brackets. We then specify the range that we want it to look at, which is that range there, close brackets and enter. And it generates a unique list. It doesn't sort it, I'll show you sorting in a minute, but it generates a unique list. Now you'll notice that there is a blue border around that range of cells. You'll also note that if I click on any of the other cells apart from the top one, look in the formula bar. The formula is grayed out. If I click on this cell, I can edit the formula and I can hit delete to delete the formula, and it deletes from all of those cells. If I try to edit any of the other formulas, I can't. And if I wanted to delete the bamboo mission, I'm pressing the delete key furiously here and nothing's happening. The unique function is a special type of function. These are new functions. This is a new concept from Microsoft, and they're called the dynamic array functions. And it's a set of functions. And the idea is that you can create a function in one cell and automatically it spills that function into a range of other cells based on how many values it's going to generate. So that's what the blue border indicates. It indicates the range that is being taken up by those cells. So when somebody asked in the chat earlier, can you have multiple functions in one cell? And I said, it depends. I kind of misunderstood the question because there's about 2 or 3 ways that you could interpret that. Obviously, if you were doing something like combining the left function with the upper function with the concatenate function, then you can have multiple functions combined together in one cell. But you could also interpret that question in this way, because up until dynamic array functions, every cell could only contain one formula. But in effect, we've got one cell that's got multiple formulas in it. It's just you can only edit the first one. And the other function is the sort function, which would sort the list into order. So if I combined the sort function with the unique function with that range, then we have a sorted list of unique items.